Well, check this one out. This got dropped off last night. This one came off the auction. See if this thing runs, maybe. Oh wow. Typical Porsche thing. Okay, yeah, we could probably try. See if this thing will turn over and run. In the battery. Yep, should be good. Since there's no battery, yesterday night I had to throw one on the passenger seat to get the steering wheel unlocked. And get this thing right here, like that. See if we got any power. I think we got something. And then boost this guy up. Hey. It runs. That's nice. Doesn't even have the check engine light on. That's cool. Not too bad at all. Now, if y'all want to try and guess how much this vehicle was bid and won for off Copart, probably drop it in the comments and see. We'll see who guesses. But yeah, this thing is pretty beat up. It is pretty nasty. Oh, at least we got the lug nut key over there. Bro, they got AC for the glove box compartment. Cool. Oh, heated seats. Not bad for a 2008 Cayenne. What's up with the radio? Oh, it's actually working. I just turned it off. Let's see. There's a GPS SD card in it, so we should have pretty solid GPS. This is not a stock Porsche setup, which is good. Stock one had a lot of issues. And then there's for your music storage SD. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah. Yep. Runs good. Yep. Moves on its own. That means, yep, battery's good. Just gotta get a battery. Transmission moves on its own. So I guess it's a run and drive. Yeah. Maybe go ahead and try to guess what was paid for this Porsche off Copart. Typical headliner issues, and they just throw pins at it. That's fine. Yeah, pretty good off-roading little rig. This always happens on the Porsches. You just gotta glue these guys back in place. Yep, same here. Yo, what's that? What is that? Oh, that's from the car seat. No cash in here? Come on, guys. Where the money at? Nope. Nope. Just a bunch of trash. No, one time I found like $58 I found one time ago. Cleaning up. To be honest with you, that's the only reason I got this car for. Just so I can go around through the glove box compartments and check everything out. Yeah, that's how boring it gets sometimes. This thing always cracks on these. The trunk doesn't open automatically, like always. That's okay. But it closes automatically. Well, somewhat. No, it actually does. Well, no, it doesn't. Where's that button? Okay, well, yeah, it does. Gotta put some air in this tire before we can road test it. Yeah, this thing needs some detailing. Ooh. Same here, a bunch of trash in there. At least you don't have no crack pipes in here. Oh, I was actually needing this. I was gonna repair one of the doors. I needed that little hinge set. And a bunch of other trash. Go ahead and try to get this thing detailed soon and get it fixed, get them back on the road. Really, bro? Y'all had to steal the fuel cap? Come on. That's supposed to be an evap leak. Come on, check engine. Why don't you say nothing? Well, for the money that I paid for it, it's definitely worth it. For it being a run and drive, seat works. Oh, that's nice. definitely worth it. You gotta see what this button is supposed to be. Ooh, they even left me 2 pairs of shades. Yep, I bought this car just for these sunglasses. Looking dope. Man, this sunroof is dirty. Definitely needs some detailing. Yo, what's up with this radio? I had this thing playing last night and I turned it off. Oh, I think I know what's up. We need an actual battery, not that one over there that's sitting on the floor. Oh, that's cool. How does that work? So what happens when your airbag gets blown? And we'll probably get a new one. Be a solid off-road vehicle. See, doesn't want to let you take the key. That's because the batteries does not have enough juice. So what you do is you give it a little boost so that you have enough energy to run your electronics. That's why the stereo doesn't work actually, because of the battery. 1, 2, and you got your key out. Yeah. Yesterday at night I was here picking it up, well, receiving it from the delivery truck, and the weird part is usually Audis, BMWs, whenever they get into an accident, they would actually have this thing where the battery has a fuse that gets all the power to it, shuts off as soon as this vehicle gets hit. So that's what we thought was going to happen with this Porsche too. So we try to start it, there's no life in it. We put a booster on it, still no life in it. And then we try to look for the battery. And then I remember to check under the driver's seat to see if we have a battery. So I look under the driver's seat and yep, the battery was missing. So that's when I went over there and threw a battery on the passenger seat, whatever I had laying in the shop. Throw a little booster on it too. And that's how I was able to get it started. And it started on the first try. Ran great, drove off the trailer on its own. Yep. Pretty humble little SUV, but it should be good for off-roading, I guess. Yeah. Go ahead and take a guess how much I had to pay for this one off the auction.